Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this little magnetic stand thing that's going to connect onto the back of a phone to make it be a stand or a little holder or whatever. So it comes with, I don't know what all this stuff is. Let me see, it says it's only 2.5 millimeters. It is very thin, and it's got the little finger pull there. And how do I open this? To install, step one. Oh, it comes out of here. It's like in the rubber in here. Okay, so this is it here. It looks like it had some sticker stuff on it there. Let me just put that on here for a second, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So the instructions are to wipe it off and then put it on. So right now I don't have a case on my phone here, but it's got its own little magnet stuff in there too. So I think it's going to transfer the MagSafe charging ability there. My phone's broken on the back. Look at that. But it'll go, magnetizes on there, and then it gives you a little loop. So look at that. So you have a loop, so you have a little finger hold on it, and it's pretty good. It'll, even with just the magnet without taping it on, it's gonna hold, and this little thing turns around, and I can go and stand it up on something. Do I have something here to stand it up on? Like a box here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I could just stand it up. If I wanted to, have it at an angle or something like that, I could do that. I could probably angle it the other way too if I rotated it down or whatever. You got your different options, but mostly I'll just use it for a finger hold probably, and then I can close it, fold it back up. So how cool is that? It's a nice little thing there, and it looks like if I took off the tape here, I would be able to tape it on, and I will be doing that later, but right now with all these lights facing in my eyes, I'll never get it lined up right. And then let's see here, this is a parts wall mount, so let's see what this thing here is that it comes with as well. Oh, dropped the card. Oh, okay, this is just gonna give me a metal plate. So here you see it's like a little metal plate. So I'm guessing once I have it on here, I could put the little metal plate and it's gonna magnetize onto that. So I could tape, well now I've got it stuck. Boy, that's got a good magnet on it. I could tape this onto the wall and then my phone will magnetize onto it or onto anything metal. I guess at that point I can magnetize it onto my refrigerator or onto anything. Do I have anything metal here? This thing's metal probably. Yeah, so, well, it's not a great metal thing because it's tiny. Do I have something metal? I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like magnetized onto something, but here we go. So here, you see I've got it on my, so with the metal, this is without that even metal plate. You see it's got that, it's magnetized, so I can just magnetize it onto anything that's metal. If I want to take selfies or something like that, I could put it onto a mirror and go, hey, look at that. So it'll just be on anything that's metal. So how cool is that? A really great little device. So totally cool. And right now I haven't stuck it on, but you get the idea. It's gonna work great. So totally does exactly what I want. Thumbs up.